A book fair. A book fair is an attractive fair where different type of books are displayed and sold. Nowadays it has become very popular. I was very lucky to visit the Ekushe Boi Mela this year. Every year the fair is held on the occasion of 21st February to remind us the struggle and sacrifice in the language movement. The fair was organized by Bangla Academy in the premises of the institution. I went there with some of my friends. When I entered the main gate of the fair, I found a different environment. I saw all sorts of books, such as fiction text, books, dramas, children of all ages and classes get gathered get there. There in the evening, many poets, novelists, and writers come to visit the fair. I was very uh, delight, delighted visiting such a fair and gathered, gathered, gathered some new experience there.